Good morning and happy Tutorial Tuesday. As promised, we'll be going over our loan section of our new website. So let's get started. As always, go to clintonsavings.com and you will be on our homepage. You can easily apply for mortgage loans and personal loans, including auto and heat loans, simply by clicking on the links here at the top of the homepage. Just below these links, you'll see a loans menu option. Once you click it, it is set up very similar to the checking and savings menus. As you can see, all of our consumer loan products that we offer are listed as well as our personal credit cards, issued by TCM Bank. We also have a link for Make a Payment, which will allow you to make a payment on any of your consumer loans with CSB from another financial institution. We're excited about this new service and it's coming soon, so stay tuned. Today, I'll be showing you how to navigate our loans pages using the first-time homebuyer page as an example. However, all of the loans pages are set up generally the same. Once the page loads, you'll notice 3 quick links: Benefits, First-Time Homebuyers, and FAQs. Clicking on these links brings you directly to the section of the page, or you can scroll down the page to view each of those sections. You can easily click on Apply Now at the bottom of the page to start a mortgage application. If you want to make a quick calculation for payment information, you can do that right here as well. You can even check rates, share, or print the information. If you have more questions, simply click on More Questions at the end of the FAQs. A box will pop up. Add your name, phone number, and an email address, and one of our mortgage originators will reach out to you. At the very bottom of the page, we have buttons to join our mailing list, leave a review, and switch your deposit banking relationship to Clinton Savings. Remember that you can always scroll up to the top to click on our logo to get back to the home page or select another option from the menu. Okay, that was a quick tutorial of our loan section of our new website. Next week, we'll be going over our services section, so you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned.